Alright guys, so I'm opening up my package from Winky Lux. They just sent this to me, sending some of their best sellers. So let's see what we got. Like right off the bat, I got their lip oil. This is what it looks like. Very cool. It's called In the Stars. Oh my gosh. Wow. You guys, this is amazing. This looks really cool. There's little gold stars in there. I will do a swatch video next, but that's beautiful. Thank you, Winky Lux. Next, let's see. This looks like a mini palette, the S'mores palette. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at the packaging. Okay, so this palette is going to be a highlight and contour palette. You can use it on the face, body, and eyes, and it smells like a graham cracker. Oh my gosh, beautiful, beautiful. Look at the shimmer on those. These two, actually all three of them are shimmer, but this one's a little bit more muted. Very pretty. And then, oh my gosh, I got a pair of lashes, you guys. Look at that, they're so cute. These are the XXO Tinsley baby doll lashes. Have a little XXO Tinsley signature right here. A good set of lashes can fix anything. I completely agree. So stinking cute. Thank you, Winky Lux. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I know I have been blowing up your emails, but I just am so excited to be a part of this little freebie here. So thank you so much. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you a swatch video next. Hi guys, as you might know, I just did a Winky Lux unboxing. It was some freebies that they sent to me as a courtesy. I had been blowing them up in my emails, so I'm sorry, Winky Lux, if I annoyed you. So anyways, without further ado, I'm going to be doing a swatch video of In the Stars lip oil, their contour and highlight S'mores palette. This I will wait to do in a video. These are their lashes, which I can't wait to try out. So anyways, this is the In the Stars by Winky Lux. Very pretty. Got a bunch of gold stars, a little bit of glitter in the oil. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. Very pretty. It definitely has like a nice gold sheen to it. It's very subtle. I'm gonna apply it and see how it feels on my lips. It feels amazing. It glides on. It has a really nice scent to it. And as you can tell, it gives my lips a nice little shine. So stinking cute. This specific formula has avocado, sunflower, olive, and jojoba oils. Very nice. Okay guys, next we're going to swatch the S'mores palette by Winky Lux. Again, this is like a highlight contour palette, but we're gonna go ahead and swatch here, okay? Again, it smells like a graham cracker. It smells very subtle, so it's not too strong, but we're gonna go ahead and swatch, okay? So this is the highlight, oops. Okay, just did a few little rubs there. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Next, I'm going to swatch this middle shade here, which is like a nice golden highlight. Can't really see it with my skin tone, but you can definitely see the shine. It's beautiful, very pretty. Okay. Very nice. So there's all three of the swatches from the S'mores palette. Okay, so that's it for the free Winky Lux gifts that I received. Thank you again, Winky, for sending those to me so I can try them out and share them with my audience. I cannot wait to share this video. If you have seen their displays in Target, I say go ahead and go for it. If you're thinking about purchasing these items, I approve. Just keep an eye out in the future for more videos, for more reels, posts on Instagram. In other major news, I have opened back my TikTok. I'm gonna give it one more shot. If it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out, but I've been hearing that the Creator Fund, once you come off of it, that your views start to go back up again. So I'm crossing my fingers that we can, you know, get back to where we were. But thank you for watching this video, guys, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.